Hey everyone, it's me Jennifer, and I got some yarn to show you. I ordered the Birthstone colorway for May from Leither Co. And it was the Birthstone Yarn Club for the month of May. So I'm going to show that to you. I'm only going to pull out one. I'm not going to pull out all of them because I ordered more than one. And I will take off the label. So it's from Leither Co. Right there. And this colorway is called Emerald. It's 100% superwash merino, 231 yards or 100 grams. And here it is. It's absolutely beautiful. That is gorgeous. That is what it looks like. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love that. I love how it's a tonal. Absolutely love that. That is gorgeous. What a gorgeous green. And I got 3 of them. I couldn't do just one. I had to get 3. They are super beautiful. And for those that don't know, May's Emerald Birthstone is my dad's birthstone. So I plan to make something in honor of my father. And it is also the stone for Taurus. And I am a Taurus. But I absolutely love this. I think it's beautiful. And along with this, we received a code for $10 pattern cash on Leither's website. So can't share you the code, but we did receive the $10 pattern cash to purchase some patterns on Leither's website. So that was really fantastic. So I really like this Birthstone yarn. It is super soft, absolutely gorgeous. Even showing it to you in the bag, it is just a gorgeous colorway. I absolutely can't wait to use this. I have 693 yards of it, and it is super squishy, really squishy, and just really pretty. I really hope you guys like seeing that. You know, it's just really pretty. It is absolutely pretty yarn. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.